Hi all, in this video I am going to teach you how to solve a first order differential equation numerically with the help of modified Euler method. Consider an initial value problem. The iterative formula for finding a solution of y at x for a given value of x0, y0 is xn plus 1 equal to xn plus h, where h is the step size, yn plus 1 equal to yn plus average of k1 and k2, where k1 and k2 are obtained using these formulas. Problem 1. Given dy by dx equal to y plus e raised to x, y at 0 equal to 0, find y at point 2 and y at point 4 using modified Euler method with h as point 2. Let us write down the given data. Dy by dx equal to f of xy, which is y plus e raised to x. Here x0 is 0 and y0 is 0. So x0 and y0 we have written. Since h is given as 0.2, take h as 0.2. We have to find out the value of y at 0.2 and 0.4. Construct the table. Since h is 0.2, when we begin from 0, 0 plus 0.2 will be 0.2. 0.2 plus 0.2 will be 0.4. So within 2 steps we are going to find out the value of y at 0.2 and as well as at 0.4. x1 we have already obtained, that is x0 plus h, which is 0.2. Let us find k1 using the formula h into f of x0 y0. You know f of xy is nothing but the function y plus e raised to x, that is y0 plus e raised to x0. Substitute x0 and y0 in this equation. We get the value of k1. Similarly find k2, h into f of x0 plus h comma y0 plus k1. First you had to compute x0 plus h, which is 0.2. So here instead of x, here we have to take 0.2 and the value of y is y0 plus k1. You know y0 is 0 and k1 we have already obtained 0.2. So 0 plus 0.2 is again 0.2. So here x is 0.2 and also y is 0.2. Substituting in our function f of xy, which is y plus e raised to x, we get k2. Once we get k1 and k2, we can find out y1 using the formula y0 plus average of k1 and k2. Thus we have obtained y1 corresponding to the value of x1. I am going to modify the table. Now corresponding to x1 we got the value of y1. Now using these values we are going to find out x2 and y2. x2 I have already found out, which is 0.4. But according to the formula x2 is x1 plus h, which is 0.4. Let us find k1 again. This k1 is different from the previous step k1. So k1 is h into f of x1 y1. You know f of xy is y plus e raised to x. So we get y1 plus e raised to x1. Substituting x1 and y1 we get k1. Find out k2 again. k2 is h into function of x1 plus h, y1 plus k1. Here x1 plus h is nothing but x2, 0.4. So here x will take the value 0.4 and y will take the value y1 plus k1. y1 we have already obtained, k1 also we have obtained. Adding those two we get the second parameter. So this is our second parameter, y plus e raised to x. Substituting in the function we get k2. Once we get k1 and k2, substitute in y2 formula y1 plus average of k1 and k2. Thus we get the value of y2, and corresponding to x2 we have got the value of y2. I am going to modify the table. So corresponding to 0.4 we get the value of y2. Thus we have finished the problem. Problem 2. Using modified Euler method, solve dy by dx equal to y plus sin x, y at 0 equal to 2 for x equal to 0.2 by taking h as 0.1. If h is not given, you can start by taking h as 0.1 itself. Since we have a trigonometric function here, let us first put the calculator in radian mode. Write down the given data. Here x0 is 0, y0 is 2 and h is 0.1. f of xy is y plus sin x. Construct the table. we have to compute the value of y when x equal to 0.2. So up to 0.2 you have to go on repeating the steps. So when h is 0.1, within 2 steps we are going to find out the value of y when x equal to 0.2. You know, as usual, x1 is x0 plus h. We have already found out it is 0.1. To find out y1, we have to find out k1 and k2. k1 is h into f of x0 y0. You know our function is y plus sin x. So y0 plus sin x0. Substituting, we get k1 as 0.2. k2 is h into f of x0 plus h, comma y0 plus k1. x0 plus h is nothing but x1, which is 0.1, and y0 plus k1. y0 is nothing but 2, and k1 we have obtained, it is 0.2. So y0 plus k1 is 2.2. So here x will take the value 0.1 and here y will take the value 2.2. So f of xy is nothing but y plus e raised to x. So y plus, not e raised to x, y plus sin x, y plus sin x. After computing this, we get k2. When we have obtained k1 and k2, substitute in y1 formula, y0 plus average of k1 and k2, we get the value of y1. I am going to substitute this here in my table. So using these values, I am going to compute x2 and y2. x2 is x1 plus h, which is again 0.2. k1 we can find out, k2 also we can find out, and then using these k1 and k2 we can find out y2. Thus we have finished the table. I hope you have understood this. Thank you.